Presenting another innovation from Sanjamar. What's wrong with your old cutting boards? Slicing and chopping creates deep grooves that trap bacteria and create food safety hazards. Now, Sanjamar has a dependable way to replace your old boards, improve food safety, and cut long-term costs. Introducing the innovative QuadGrip cutting boards, a totally new two-part cutting board system. These patent-pending boards feature a refillable non-slip frame with two food safety hooks for storage and transport. Interchangeable double-sided boards easily snap into the frame. The QuadGrip boards are made from our proprietary copolymer blend to get you the quality and durability you expect from Sanjamar. Available in HACCP colors, including allergen purple. QuadGrip boards are also available with the exclusive SmartCheck visual indicator, an interior contrasting color. When the color shows through, you know exactly when it's time to replace the boards. The QuadGrip frame is constructed of a rigid, high-impact plastic for durability and long life. Rubber feet keep the cutting board secure and above surface bacteria. The frame and cutting boards are NSF certified and dishwasher safe. Available in 3 convenient sizes designed for your workspace. You can order starter or expansion kits, including the frame and whiteboards. Refill packs are also available in HACCP colors. Make an immediate impact on your kitchen operations, cut long-term costs, and improve safety. The QuadGrip cutting board system. For more information on this smart, safe, and sanitary solution from Sanjamar, go to sanjamar.com.